Hi friends, it's Mrs. Ferrari. I'm so excited to introduce to you our summative assignment for our fractions unit. It's a wonderful chance for us to practice being real-world mathematicians in action. It's called Feast of Fractions. Let me explain a little bit more. Okay, here's your challenge. Imagine you have invited friends over for dinner to celebrate your birthday. Wouldn't that be exciting? You want to prepare a special celebration that everyone can enjoy, but there's a little problem. You have many friends who like different foods. So, in this challenge, I'm going to give you 5 different scenarios. Scenarios are like situations. Remember how with our word problems, we always talk about what's the situation? Well, the scenarios are going to be our situations, our little problems that we have to solve to feed all of the friends at our dinner party. So, you will be given 5, but you need to choose at least 3. You can do all of them if you want, but the assignment requires to choose 3. Then, what are you going to do with those situations? Well, you're going to create a slideshow using Google Slides. It will be 6 to 10 slides total after your title slide. And here's why. For each of your scenarios or situations at your dinner party, you are going to have to make 2 slides. The first slide shows a picture of the food listed in your scenario, and with that picture, you're going to use a drawing tool and create a fraction that's going to help you solve the problem. Then, on the second slide, you're going to show me that you can use your skills with not only your computer, but also the knowledge that you have of fractions on a number line to represent the fraction from your scenario on the number line. So, for example, this is an easy example, but I think you'll get the idea. 2 of your friends decided they would like a slice of cheese pizza at your party. You want to cut the pizza into eighths. Show how many slices of cheese pizza you will need using a fraction. So, that's our scenario. That's the situation that you're going to have to think, how will I solve this problem? So, here is my example of my slide. Okay, I used Google Slides and I went into the search for images and I found this picture of a whole cheese pizza. I partitioned or separated my fraction, or excuse me, my pizza into eighths, and then as you can see, I did my little blue squiggles to represent each slice of pizza for my friend, so I know that I will need 2/8 of cheese pizza. You can see that I used the word form of the fraction in my sentence, and I also represented the fraction with a number. Then on the next slide, I showed 2/8 on the number line. I did this using a combination of tools in Google Slides, but you will have some options for that as well. So, you have 3 ways that you can create your number line. You can use the tools that are already in Google Slides. You can create a Google drawing and then load that into your slides, or you can draw a picture on paper and upload the image into your slideshow. We'll have another video demonstrating a little bit more of the how-tos with Google coming soon. Okay, and then our big final step of the project is that after creating your slideshow, you're going to share your knowledge, share how you solved the scenarios and the beautiful slideshow that you've created. So, you're going to either present it live in front of the class using your actual voice and getting up and talking, or you can present your slideshow with your voice recording the explanation that will play in the background. The third choice, for those of you who may not be inclined to go up and do the slideshow presentation, is to write a detailed explanation in paragraph form. Okay, well that's it, friends. I hope you have fun working with fractions on this assignment. As always, make sure to ask me any questions you may have, and we'll talk to you again soon in the next video with some more instructions on Google Slides.